questions on Republic Day.
Republic Day is the national festival of India. We are celebrating our 73rd Republic Day this year. India became a republic country on 26 January 1950. On this day, the President of India hoists the national flag in New Delhi. Big parades are held at India Gate in New Delhi. The President gives award to the brave soldiers on this day. The Republic Day teaches us to live in unity and peace. Republic Day describes the importance of Constitution of India to every Indian. Our Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We should all respect our Constitution. Happy Republic Day!